Hi, Inkley, it's Teacher Ashley. We just got back from delivering your activity packets by your front door, and we are going to talk about what's in your packets. So let's go check it out.
Come on.
Here is our weekly newsletter. We put a diaper resource paper in front, and the front of the newsletter, we listed the activities and talked about hand muscles. The second page is a recipe and some science project and QR codes to YouTube videos and an article about eating healthy.
This is a Valentine's Day card kit that you can let your child decorate, color, and glue however they want. This is a great way to promote their language development, social development, and physical development. Everyone got a handout that gives a few language prompts and ways you can use this activity.
Read the I Am Classroom book to your child, and while you're reading, stop at their picture and ask them who this is to help them identify themselves.
This is a Valentine's Day themed puzzle. It's a great way to help build your child's attention maintenance, their problem solving skills, classification skills, and fine motor skills. Everyone received a handout that goes over a few different ways you can use this puzzle.
Animal Play-Doh kit. Invite your child to play with the Play-Doh freely and make their own scenery. This is a great time to talk about what you see your child doing with the Play-Doh.
This is a color storing activity with stickers and construction paper. This activity is a great way to help build your child's attention maintenance, their fine motor skills, and classification skills. We also included a handout that gives you a few different ways to use this activity.
Invite your child to use the flashlight to search and find some items on the search and key finder.
And that's everything in your packet. Chew!
Chew! Have fun!